Hey everyone! Did you know that the DJI Mini series has gained a huge following for its portability and advanced features? What if I told you that the Mini 5 Pro might be on the horizon? In this video, we'll explore the potential release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro and what it could mean for drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. So, let's dive right in. The drone market is evolving rapidly, and many are wondering if the Mini 5 Pro can compete with other high-end models while maintaining its compact design. With brands releasing new models almost every season, it's crucial for DJI to keep up with the competition. The Mini series has always been loved for its lightweight and user-friendly features, but can it hold its ground against some of the more advanced drones out there? This is the challenge we're looking at today. The Mini 5 Pro needs to balance that portability with power, and that's a tough act to follow, especially when the market is flooded with options that boast impressive specs. Now, let's look at what we know so far about the Mini 5 Pro. There are some exciting rumors swirling around regarding its specifications. Some leaks suggest that it might come equipped with a better camera, possibly moving to a 4K or even 6K resolution, which would be a big leap from the Mini 4. Upgrades in image stabilization technology could also be on the table, which would help give those smooth shots we all crave. And let's not forget about the potential battery life improvements. Imagine flying longer and capturing more stunning footage without worrying about running out of power. These changes could significantly impact not only performance but also the overall user experience. If DJI can pull this off, it could make the Mini 5 Pro a must-have for both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. Now, here's the kicker. The most exciting speculation surrounds the camera capabilities and battery life upgrades. Could these features make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer in the drone community? Just think about it. A compact drone that can shoot high-quality footage for an extended period. It could open up new possibilities for content creators, allowing them to capture breathtaking views without needing to carry heavy gear. Plus, if the Mini 5 Pro can deliver on the promise of improved stability and clarity, it might just become the go-to choice for those of us who love to